Hello, this is Pat from Pine Lake Parts in Plainwell, Michigan. If you have any questions about this motor, you can give me a call at 269-347-0014. You can also go out to our website, pinelakeparts.com. This is a 2012 4-stroke, 20 horsepower, remote controlled with power trim. This is a cold start, hasn't been started in about a week. Raise the warm-up lever. I've already primed the bulb. Turning the key and pushing in for choke. A little cold. Give her a second to warm up. It's got a new water pump in it. You can see it's pumping good water. Nice quiet motor. There, she's starting to warm up. You hear the idle picking up. Alright, I've got the warm-up lever up right now. I'm going to bring it down to idle. And then put it in gear. I can do it with the phone in my hand. You can see real nice power. Once it's been started, then restart is just a case of turning the key. Real clean motor, Michigan, fresh water, purchased from the original owner. Here in Southwest Michigan is where it was ran. So Michigan summers. Any questions, give me a call. Thank you.